In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make a video like this. There, so you have your image, you add the video, and you have the presenter. They want to go back. So let's learn how to do that. The first step, you have to go to convert your images to JPG or PNG, and there are many sources online. You also have to convert your videos to MP4. Third step, you have to download OBS Studio, which is open source software. Now I'll show you. Go to File, go to Settings, and in Settings, go to Output, go Recording, and set here recording format. Make sure it's in MP4. Another step you want to take, go to Settings, go to Video. Here you have the canvas resolution, the output resolution. So in this case, I'm using the vertical video. So I use the aspect ratio 916 or 1080 by 1920 in the base canvas resolution and the output scale resolution. So now you can add the images you want. My file, the plus button here, and add my image, as you can see here, right? But the process is I go add the plus button here, go to image, and then I select click OK, and then I go browse and find where my picture is. My pictures are right here, okay? And then I cancel because I already added. Mention is the order of the images you want. But if I put here the display capture device is this here. If I click the video capture device, this is my presenter view, is where I am. But if I change the order, just drag and put on top, then change the order. For example, if I put the image on top, then I suddenly disappear. So what I put first is the video capture device because it's smaller, and then I put everything at the background. Okay, the image and the display capture. Display capture is display capturing what I have in my browser. And then I will display capture here. I do Ctrl C and I create another scene here. Create scene is fairly simple. You just right click here and then you say duplicate and then or add or duplicate and you create a new scene. I go to the next scene here. You see that in this scene there is no browse yet. So I'm gonna Ctrl V and then I create this here, display capture, right? So display capture here. What you have to do here to create this image slideshow, you just click once again the plus button. You go to the image slideshow here and then hit OK, then just scroll down and then you hear this button and you can add files and then you can select two images here. Slideshow can be controlled here. I move forward, I move backward, and the images are there. I have the scene transitions here. There are different types of transitions that you can see, cut, fade, and so on. Once again, I will Ctrl C the display capture, then I go to the next scene 9. Then scene 9, I will Ctrl V and I have the display capture once again. This media source, once again I click, hit the plus button, go to the media source and then OK, hit OK, and then I browse where my where my video is, browse, and I hit any, like in this case particularly here, I click and then I add to the previous scene. When I go to the scene, next scene, it already play the other video. And if I change the order here, the video capture, the display capture put under, then you're gonna see that still be the video, the background, and my presenter view on front. So when I change from scene 16.2 to scene 9, you see that the video will play automatically. And one more thing, one step I forgot to mention, presenter view, I will make available this project, this square I use for my presenter view. So what I'm doing essentially here now, I just share with you that this image here, I use this square I create in Adobe Express, and you'll have access. And then with this image here, you have a black background, actually transparent, and the white background here. You can use that, upload to your OBS, put in your desktop or in your any file, any folder on your desktop, and then you can use that for your presenter view. That's it. So that's the presentation looks like. Presentation looks like this now. First, use the Adobe Express. This is what we did last weekend that I used in Miyazaki when it was raining pretty hard. You can actually go further here. You see images, videos, everything here. Great meal. Then you have here where you can convert the images. You have all the video where you can convert the videos. Then you have the website where the software. You have how here you can capture what's in your browser. Then you have the images. The image, you right click and you go to transform. You click fit to the screen and then automatically get to the screen size. Now go to images slideshow, and the slideshow here, look to the slideshow, I can go front, back, and front. Now I am the scenes, I click down, 9, and I have the video. So and that's it. Hope you enjoy.